So hi everyone, this is Adwoa here. I figured I would show you some of the reviews on my products that a lot of customers are leaving. Not sure if this is your first time to my channel or if you've been here or if you're already someone using my Miracle Growth Water products. As you read these comments and you read these reviews, these are real people. I took these reviews from my Etsy page. I do sell Miracle Growth Water as well as all of my other products on my Etsy site as well. Excuse me. So I just wanted you guys to just read some of the wonderful reviews and the feedback that customers are leaving. Okay? If the video is going too fast, please pause it so that you can read it thoroughly. After these reviews, do not leave yet because you will see a bunch of before and afters, including my hair. Including my hair. That's right, my hair. Me without a wig on. So again, guys, thank you. And also take advantage of that $20 off 100. $20 off of 100. You have to go to www.miraclegrowthwater.com to get that $20 off 100. Remember to use code Tuesday20. Tuesday20. Okay, I'm going to post it again. Tuesday20. Happy growing, guys.